In this video, we'll solve an equation that contains imaginary numbers. We'll find the value of x and y. We know imaginary numbers I equals square root of -1. Or if we square, we get I square equals -1. We'll use these two values to find the value of x and y from the given equation. The given equation is x plus iy equals 1 plus 2i 3 minus 4i. From here we have x plus iy equals, we can multiply both numerator and denominator with the opposite sign value of the denominator. So we can write 1 plus 2i times 3 plus 4i divide 3 minus 4i times 3 plus 4i. So you can write x plus I y equals, we can multiply 3 plus 6i plus 4i plus 8i square, and in the denominator we can apply a plus b times a minus b equals a square minus b square rules. So we can write 3 square minus 4i square. Because we know we have a minus b times a plus b, we can write it as a square minus b square. So from here we have x plus iy equals 8i square plus 10i plus 3, and in the denominator we have 3 times 3 is 9 minus 16i square. Next we have x plus iy equals, we know I square equals -1, so we can write 8 times -1 plus 10i plus 3, and in the denominator we can write 9 minus 16 times -1. So we have put the value of I square both in numerator and denominator. So we have x plus iy equals -8 plus 10i plus 3, and in the denominator 9 plus 16. Next we have x plus iy equals 9 plus 16 is 25, and in the numerator we have 10i minus 5. Or we can arrange and we can write x plus iy equals minus 5 by 25 plus 10i by 25. Or we can write x plus iy equals minus, we can divide 25 by 5, we have 5, minus 1 by 5 plus, we can divide both by 5, we have 2, and 25 by 5 is 5. We can write 2 by 5i. Now, if we compare the left and right side, we can see that the value of x equals minus 1 by 5 and the value of y, which contains I, has the value of 2 by 5. Since if we have x plus iy equals a plus ib, we can write x equals a and y equals b. We have applied these rules to find the value of x and y. So the value we have from this equation is x equals minus 1 by 5 and y equals 2 by 5. So this is the solution for the given equation, and this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.